Legends of Learning presents the Scaling Machine Game. This is a math game that makes learning about solving problems using scale fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, return to Joules Lab and its many mysterious divisions. This time, taking on the role of a repair technician in charge of using the scale machine. Master the principles of scale as you are tasked to repair various questionable objects. Find the right shapes to complete the different machines. Use the mouse to click on different objects and drag and drop them on screen in the scaling machine to change their sizes. Once you have the perfect size shape, then drag and drop the objects onto the machine to repair it to move to the next level. Repair all the machines to help the technician. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.